This is the easiest pizza in the world. It's ready in just 6 minutes using the microwave. We're going to start by placing an egg in a bowl, a pinch of salt, half a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, and half a cup of milk at room temperature. Now with a whisk, let's beat it very well. Once that's done, we're going to add a cup of wheat flour. Here, I'm going to sieve it to make the dough lighter. Let's mix again. Go ahead and tell me what city or state you're watching this video from, so I can send you a big hug and thank you for interacting with us. Let's finish this dough by adding half a tablespoon of baking powder for cakes and mix lightly. Once that's done, we're going to pass all this dough directly to a microwave dish. Here, we don't need to grease the microwave plate. Now let's spread this dough all over it. Once that's done, let's take it to bake. Here, you just need to fix it not to fall down. And now, set for 4 minutes, which is enough time for our dough to be ready. And look how beautiful it looks. Now all you have to do is fill it the way you like. I'll put some tomato sauce, (200 grams of grated mozzarella) and some pepperoni slices. For me, this is the best pizza flavor, but you can make it with the flavor you like the most. I'll finish with a little oregano on top. Now let's microwave it again. Fix the plate. And set it for another 2 minutes. And our 6-minute pizza is ready. Look how delicious it looks. This is a great option when you're hungry and want to eat something different. It's super easy to make and it's delicious. Make it at home. Let me know what you think of this recipe. I hope you liked it. A big hug and until the next video.